In this video, I'm going to show you how to add IEEE references in Word using Mendeley. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is open Word, a document you want to use, and then you want to go to Add-ins, top right over here on the Home tab, and you want to add Mendeley cite. So whenever you do this, if you don't have it here, you can just search for it, type Mendeley like this, and then find it, click on it, and install it. And then under References, you'll now see Mendeley cite. When you open this for the first time you're doing it, you'll have to sign in, so just sign into your account using your email or password, and then of course if you don't have an account yet, you'll be able to create one from there very easily. Now to add IEEE references, what you want to do is you want to go to citation settings up top and then change the citation style into IEEE reference guide version whatever you're on, okay? Click on that, and then here, whenever you click on it, you'll be able to update the citation style. So currently, I'm going to just do it like this. So I'm going to type something in my document, and as you can see, I can't change it, and that's because you have to have something on here. So I'm going to click here, update citation style, and there we go. Citation style has been updated, okay? So whenever you do this, you can now go to references and you can start adding references, and they're going to get added in here as the IEEE format. So insert citation, there we go. As you can see, we're now seeing the IEEE style numbers over here, and I can add as many as I want. And of course, I can just go ahead and cite that way. So if you need any more tutorials on Mendeley, I do have a full playlist, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.